Friday, December 23rd. We are stuck in a blizzard. I mean major. I've never seen anything like it in my life. So, but I'm in the bus, working. The 3 cats and the dog on the bus are doing fine. And let me show you a little bit of what's going on. The diesel gets too cold. It's 3 degrees outside with a wind chill of probably around 25 negative. Let me open this up. Go into the front part of the bus. Pretty dark, I know. Just a second. I'll open up the curtain. And you can't hardly make out what's going on out there. I've got the bus going. I've got to start the bus every half hour, 45 minutes, or else it won't start if you leave it alone. Let me roll down this window. Ooh. Oh boy. 50-mile-an-hour gusts with about 2 inches on the road. I'm in a parking lot at a family store in Batavia, New York. 1 hour and a half from my brother's house where we were going to spend Christmas and where we are going to spend Christmas. I better roll this window back up. Freezing. We're in the bus with a diesel heater. Warm. The only drawback is all through the night I've got to get up every 45 minutes and start the bus. Let it run for about 10 minutes. And Moosey. That's the name of that tune. Over and out.